Hey guys, welcome. I'm Sandhikshandas. Here in this video, I will tell you the solution that how to fix the pairing problem with each other earbuds. So if you have that problem, please keep watching this video till then. If you're new, then subscribe my channel and tap the bell icon to get each notification from me. Also, don't forget to follow me on social media platforms. So without wasting time, let's get started. So just open up the box. So you can see as soon as you open up the box, it's already switched on. You can see it is charging. So just pull them out. In case if you have problem, don't do anything when you have you have that problem. Just press it and hold for some seconds. It will just keep blinking and it will be restarted again, and it will be reformatted or will be go to the factory settings mode. Just press and hold for few seconds. And until the LED is not blinking, just keep it pressed. Don't left it. Okay, so reset to factory settings is done. Now the problem will be solved. Okay, now just put them back again to the case. Okay, and close the case. Now we have to do, just go to your Bluetooth settings, and if you have that Redmi AirDots paired with it, just unpair it first. So I have unpaired it. Now switch off again Bluetooth. Now just pull it out from the case, and you can see this one is connected with the right one. So right one you have to connect again with your smartphone. Let me add it right. Yes, it's connecting and it's connected. Done. So both are connected and your problem will be solved. Okay, and after using, just put them back again. That's it. So guys, that was all about the solution of this. I hope you liked it. If you liked this video and found the solution, and then hit the like button below, subscribe my channel and share this video with your friends and family who need this. So I hope to see you in my next video. Till then, have a great day ahead. Take care. I was Sandhikshandas signing off. Have a great day.